Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can recover connected apps on Facebook. First, let's open our Facebook app on your device. On the bottom right, click your profile. From here, scroll down to Settings, then click Settings again. Navigate to your Activity section, then right-click Apps and Websites. You will be taken to this page where you can see all the apps connected to your Facebook account. You can view removed apps over here, and you can see I removed my access to TikTok and Social B. To recover this one, we have to do this outside Facebook. So if you want to reconnect your app, you have to open the app you want to recover. In our case, let's recover our access to TikTok. Now let's go to the TikTok app. Here, click sign up for TikTok. Choose continue with Facebook. Log in your Facebook, and there you have it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.